What's in the fridge, Mum? There's not enough to eat. I'm really hungry and I feel like a treat. I'm not a vegan and I don't want jam. We have cream and juice, but no butter or ham. What good is coleslaw or salad cream without chicken for a sandwich? This must be a dream. Cabbage and lettuce are no good on their own. What? No pizza? Get me the phone!
You could have eggs, son, or beetroot and pickles, but these would make you burp and give you the belly tickles. What about a salad, carrots or cucumber, or a nice bacon sandwich? Would this help you slumber?